Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you my base Boxycharm. I'm glad I canceled my Luxe because this has been far better than any other box. And I did not get Luxe. I did get my premium, but this is better than my premium. So yeah, really glad I didn't get Luxe. Unfortunately, I have seen a lot of people who said their Luxe was very disappointing, so I'm sorry. I'm glad I didn't get it. Anyways, my name is Kristen. I'm a lover of colorful makeup and wrestling. So, Boxycharm. So we did get this in the classic Boxycharm Base Box because it is red inside. Did get a card. Fantastic. And like I said, this is really nice. Already looked inside of it. I can't help it. I'm sorry. I can't help it. Okay, we're gonna go by what's listed on the card. Again, the card is Boxycharm Dare to Dazzle, just like the first one. So the first thing I got was this Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. There we go. Nice big bottle. This is, it says 5 ounces, but like, that's huge. But yes, so that's $32. So retails for. So the next thing is Maven Beauty. Now this was my pick and I was very excited for this one. This is the outside packaging. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Like I said, I love galaxy themed stuff, so this is right up my alley. But the palette is nice too. It does actually give you a little preview of what's inside. So the packaging is super cute, so you can see inside of it. Ring light. Okay, there we go. And then it's clear, so there's our packaging, and there's our, get out of the ring light, there's our colors in it. Super pretty. I'm going to swatch these for you on the back of my hand. See how this goes. They're very nice colors. Yes, this was my pick. I chose this, and I'm so glad I was able to. Those might be a little neutrally, but they're still really nice colors. But that blue is fantastic. So I'm really glad I got that one. So Maven Beauty Cosmic Drip Eyeshadow Palette that retails for $23. So the next thing is True Plus Luscious Flower Doe Sloop and Eye Serum. And this retails for $34. This says infused with hyaluronic acid, orchid flower water, and passion fruit extracts. Plumping lip and eye serum. I don't know about an eye, something that's for your eye and your lips, but also that packaging, it's just kind of funny. So I will have to explore that later because I'm going to work today. I figured I would pre-record a lot of videos because again, okay, so that, yes, retails for $34. Okay. Then we have this palette. I'm so excited. Give Them Lala Beauty the Grown Woman palette. This retails for $42. I already looked at this. It's kind of like, not really my style, but very simple packaging. And this is what it looks like on the inside. I swatched a little bit, so I'm keeping it obviously, but you know, at first I thought this was blushes. I might use it as blush. But let me hold this up so you can get a really good look. So yeah, you got warm, neutral colors. You got, looks like 4 shimmers and 5 mattes. Nice big pans too. So I got 2 palettes. That's kind of cool. Okay, and then the last thing, this is Jekka Black, I think, Hydrate Primer, and this retails for $20. Just says hydrating primer for face, vegan friendly, cruelty free. There we go. It's not that big. It is 0.67 ounces. That is a facial primer. Let me know down below if you would like to see a decluttering video with me. And when I say that, I mean like a decluttering video for like cleaning out my room because it's pretty bad. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget I upload every single day. Let me know down below in the comments what you got in your Boxycharm. and how you think of it. And also, if you got Luxe, let me know what you thought of your Luxe. And then, to confuse everyone who didn't make it this far, in the comment also include the word lip sync. Alright, I will see you tomorrow at 3 p.m. Talk to you later. Bye.